Here's a gift idea for that special occasion. I made this plaque for my son when he graduated with his doctorate degree. Let me show you how I made it. Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. I made my son a bar top a few years ago using wood from a maple tree from the front yard. I had some left, so I thought that would be the perfect use for the leftovers. I picked out a small section and cut it into smaller pieces for this project. All I really wanted or needed was one flat side, although two flat sides worked great for the base of it as well. We cut out the lettering using a silhouette machine, or a Cricut machine I think works just as good. I wanted to make the decals and get that made first so I could judge the side of the wood that I needed to cut the pieces out from. I put them on the bandsaw and cut them out to the size and somewhat shape that I wanted. I needed to make a base and an upright piece for the back. Then I sanded them down. The sander also helped shape some of the edges that looked kind of jagged. Put your personal touch on it, how you might want yours to look. I rounded the top of this one down, so I think it looked a little bit better that way. I just used regular wood glue to glue the back onto the bottom, put it in a clamp, let that set overnight. You may notice here that the first thing I did before that was I burnt the wood with a torch. I didn't think that looked quite right, and then I realized the bar top that I used had an ebony stain on it. So that was the look I wanted, so I went ahead and stained it the ebony color. Fortunately, the ebony stain hid the burnt parts of the wood, or the burnt highlights of the wood. So all in all, it worked out for the better. I let the ebony stain dry overnight. The next day I sealed it with a water-based polyacrylic. That not only sealed everything, it also gave me a smoother, better surface to put the decals onto. When that dried, I was able to stick the decals on. It only took a try or two to get it right. Easily operator error at first, then it went great. I sealed the decals in with 2 more coats of polyacrylic. So I made 2 different plaques. The one on the left had a knot in it that I thought it would look good for this project. After it was finished, I just didn't like the way that the lettering looked. It didn't pop like I wanted it to. The stain didn't take on parts of the knot like I thought it would. So I made a second one, the one on the right. I think it looks better, has more of a uniform color to the wood. The lettering seems to show up better, I think anyway. I hope you liked this video. Hopefully you have an idea for something that you might like to make. If you haven't subscribed yet, please take the time to do so. Hit that like button and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified when I post a video on how to turn one of these plaques into a stunning globe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.